Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you Sea Race 2020 320 Sundancer with twin 350s on the back. What a great boat they've done. They've done a fantastic job on the new model. You've got huge storage in the back, and you got a sure shade that completely covers the back seating, so real nice, automatic. And then as they move to the, it's got a little prep station here, a little kitchen area. You've got a Kenyan electronic grill, sink, and you got a refrigerator with a small freezer. And then you've got the L-shaped seating with a table that goes at a 45 degree in here. You've got real teak on the floor, and if you're sitting in the back, you've got 360 because you can take the back of the front seat, and now you can lounge facing backwards. So you've got 360 degree seating, real nice. You've got a sun top that opens all the way up, so if it's real nice out and you want some sun, you can get it right through here. And then you've up at the helm, you've got the twin Simrads. So, real beautiful dash. Everything's neat, everything's clean, everything's controlled right here. You've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the joystick. So, real easy when it comes to docking the boat. I can put it anywhere, anytime. So, does the sky hook, locks you in a position when you're preparing to go into a marina or a restaurant, and you can put your fenders and lines out. It also locks you in for a sunset. You can point the bow at the sunset, go up in the bow, have a glass of wine out front, comfortable seating. You don't have to worry about it when you're all done. Hit the button, off you go. And then you got the down below. They did a really nice job for a 32-foot boat. You've got the two sleeping areas. You've got the forward berth that turns into a dining area. And then you've got a large mid berth in the back. So you can fit 2 adults comfortably. So 4 adults, no problem at all. And a stand-up here with a shower. Really nice on a 32-foot boat. And as we move to the bow, this is what the big change they did to the Sundancer, which is just incredible. It used to be a flat bow with a sun pad on it, not very comfortable to sit, not a place to ride out on the bow because it wasn't as safe. But now it's completely enclosed, so you can ride out here, you can lounge out here, you can put 4 adults comfortably out here. Really nice. You got a remote control for the stereo speakers. Really comfortable. You got a radar on the top for safety that way. It's got just about everything. So if you've got any questions, we'd like to come see it. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.